Hey there, welcome to Rows. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can import your posts and metrics from your LinkedIn pages inside Rows. Let's dive right in. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on our Data Actions panel here, search for LinkedIn Pages, select this source as LinkedIn Pages. Feel free to explore some of these options, but in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on Get LinkedIn Posts of your pages. If it's the first time you're trying this, you'll be prompted to connect your LinkedIn Pages account. Please do that, and once you do, you'll be able to access all the different connections you have made from this drop-down here. You'll also be able to select the page name from this drop-down here. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select rows.com and hit Create Data Table. Give it a couple seconds, and you should have the post and metrics being populated like so. The very next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is schedule an automation such that I don't have to repeat this task again tomorrow. For that, I'm going to go ahead and click on our automation option there and toggle this button on. You'll be able to select the refresh frequency from this drop down here. Please also make sure you select the right time zone at which you want the data to be refreshed. You'll also notice that there are two ways in which you can deal with the refreshed data, which is either to replace the entire content or have the data be logged one below another based on different criteria. In this case, instead of the created date, I'm going to go ahead and select the post URL because that's likely the unique identifier for that particular row. You can also explore some of the other options that we have here, which is setting up the columns and layout or sorting and filtering the data source. And that's it. This is how you can import your post and metrics from your LinkedIn pages inside Rows. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.